friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about character array known as string. Now let us understand string. In C we can say that a character array is known as string or a one dimensional array of characters terminated by a null character is known as string. Each character in the array is of 1 byte. Means it will take 1 byte of memory, and the last character must be a null character. Now null character is only the way by which we can identify a string, because array and strings look like similar, but in case of string null character must be the last character. Now in C we can create a string with the help of two methods. One, by using character array, and second one is by using string literals. For example, we have taken a character array of 5 words, that is A, E, I, O, U, and in this null character will be the last character. This is character array, and in case of a string literal, what we have to do, we have to simply assign the number of characters like that. So in this case, one difference is that in case of character array we have to mention the null character, and in case of string literal we don't have to mention the null character. It is automatically placed by the compiler. Automatically placed by the compiler at the end of an character array. Now let us take an example of a program. First, include a file stdio.h. In case of a string, when we are using string functions, then we have to include a file string.h header file, but in this program we are simply using character array, create a main function. We have created a character array of 6 letters A, E, I, O, U, and at the end there is a null character. So this is character array, and here we are taking a literal, string literal. String literal is just like a constant. Now printing these values, Percentile s is a specification, control specification used with the string of a, for character we will use percentile c. String literal. Now we will look towards traversing of a string. Now in traversing of a string, it is one of the most important aspect. There are two ways to traverse a string. Number one, by using the length of the string. And second one is by using null character. So let us look towards a program. Declare a main function. Take character array of 5 characters. Take a variable I. We have to count the characters, so we have to take a variable count. Now we are using the length, so while I is less than when I is less than equal to 6, if statement is used, if s of I, that is the character is equal to a, or s of I is equal to e, or s of I is equal to I, or s of I is equal to o, or s of I is equal to u, then count plus plus and increase the variable I, and after that print the value, the number of vowel count is percentile d count. So we have used the length of the string. In case of null character, we will use this statement like if s of I is not equal to null. Thank you very much.